All right, good morning, and good morning. Talking about strength and unity, right? So we're on day 12 of the power of speaking life. The power of speaking life. So, hey family, welcome back to the Family Reset Daily Steps to Strength and Unity. And today we're talking about something that can shape the entire atmosphere in your home. It's the power of speaking life, positive life, right? Words have power. Proverbs 18:21 says, the tongue has the power of life and death. What we speak over our families, our children, our spouses, even ourselves can either build up or tear down. Are we speaking encouragement, love, and faith, or are we solving negativity or sowing negativity and doubt? Today, I challenge you to intentionally speak life over your family. Tell your child, you are smart, you are capable. Tell your spouse, I appreciate you. Speak blessings over your home. Your words create your world. So here's my call to action for you today. Let's reset our homes by using words that uplift, strengthen, and bring life. Speak it, believe it, and watch how things begin to change. We'll see you tomorrow for another step towards strength and unity, but it's so important to, when you think that negative, try to flip it around to something positive. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. I hope you have an amazing day today.